Use VM33 as a webcam for GoTo Meeting. VM33 works as webcam directly via USB-A and C. More reliable than most other competitors in the market, it is compatible with most major video conferencing platforms. In this demo, we'll show you how VM33 can be used for GoTo Meeting. Connect VM33 to your computer via USB-A or C cable. Enter the GoTo Meeting, start or join a meeting. Before entering a meeting, it allows you to adjust audio and video settings. Here, you can set whether to use the default camera or the external VM33 camera. Once you're done, click Start My Session. Anytime during the meeting, you can alter the video source into VM33. Improve video quality for GoTo Meetings. Visit us at NearStream.us to learn more.